Let me show you how to design a gradient poster in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new file, size 29.7 by 42 centimeters. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Let's choose the black color and then press OK. Now create a new layer. Go to Tools and choose the Gradient tool. Let's choose the Radial Gradient tool. Click on the gradient color right here. All right, let's go ahead and pick the gradient colors. I'm going to start with this yellow color. For the middle, I'll go with an orange shade. Let's pick this one right here. And finally, at the end, I'll choose black. Once you're done, click OK. Click in the center and drag upward to create the gradient. If your colors are reversed, make sure this icon is turned off. Right-click here and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go up to Filter and click on Liquify. Make sure you've got pin edges switched on. Follow along with these steps and don't be afraid to play around with the Liquify tool until you like how it looks. When you finish, press OK. This is looking great. Let's add some texture. Go to Filter, then Noise and choose Add Noise. Let's put the amount around 4%. This looks nice. And that's it. Just drop in your text and boom, you've got a cool gradient poster. If you'd like to download the PSD files, check the link in the description below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.